Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal on your Etsy shop. First, you'll want to log into your Etsy seller account. Once you're in, head over to your shop manager. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Finances to proceed. This is where you'll manage all your payment-related settings and ensure your customers have flexible payment options. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes to complete. Next, within the Finances section, click on Payment Settings. Here, you'll find various payment options. Look for and select PayPal from the list of available methods. Etsy will then prompt you to log into your PayPal account. This step is crucial as it authorizes Etsy to link with your PayPal, ensuring secure and seamless transactions for your customers. Make sure you have your PayPal login details ready. After linking your accounts, take a moment to carefully review and confirm your PayPal details. Etsy or PayPal might require additional verification steps to ensure security, so follow any prompts you receive. You'll also have the option to enable PayPal as a payment choice for your buyers during checkout. This provides customers with more flexibility, potentially increasing your sales by offering a widely trusted payment method. Once you've confirmed your details and preferences, remember to save your changes to finalize the setup. For optimal performance, ensure your PayPal account is verified and ideally set up as a business account. This helps with smoother transactions and better record keeping. Periodically check your Etsy payment settings to confirm PayPal is still active and correctly linked, providing a reliable payment experience for all your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.